Good morning, madam. Good morning. You are? I am Inday. Inday. What you can do? I can do all, madam. You can cook? Yes, madam. Okay. You can cook my children. And you can cook me. Ha? Hindi ako na-inform. Cannibal pala mga tao dito. Wait a minute, madam. You mean I can cook a food for your children and for you? Yes. And also, iron my husband. Iron your husband? You mean I can iron the dresses of your husband, madam? Yes, Inday. And also, wash my garden. Ha? Garden uhugasan? Nayawa na. But you have rest in peace.